Hey everyone, welcome back to Borufan Tube. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of programming and discussing the top 5 languages you should consider learning in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, these languages are gaining traction and could open up new opportunities for you. Let's jump right in. Python. Our first language on the list is Python. Known for its readability and versatility, Python has been a dominant force in various fields. From web development and automation to data science and machine learning, Python's popularity continues to soar. Its clean syntax and extensive libraries make it a fantastic choice for beginners. JavaScript. Next up is JavaScript. If you're into web development, JavaScript is a must-learn language. It's the backbone of dynamic and interactive web pages, making it indispensable for front-end developers. With the rise of Node.js, JavaScript is also used on the server side, allowing for full-stack development. Stay tuned for its evolving role in 2024. Golang. Now let's talk about Go, commonly known as Golang. Loved for its simplicity and efficiency, Go is gaining popularity in building scalable and concurrent systems. Developed by Google, it's known for its excellent performance and is a great choice for projects that require high efficiency without sacrificing readability. TypeScript. For those working on large-scale web development projects, TypeScript is becoming increasingly important. It's a superset of JavaScript that adds static typing, making your code more robust and maintainable. As the demand for scalable and maintainable code increases, TypeScript is a language you'll want in your toolkit. Rust. Last but not least, let's talk about Rust. Renowned for its focus on safety and performance, Rust is gaining traction in systems programming and other performance-critical applications. With its modern features and memory safety, Rust is becoming a favorite among developers looking for a powerful and secure language. Summary. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 programming languages to consider learning in 2024. Each language has its strengths, so choose the one that aligns with your goals and interests. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments which language you're excited to learn or already love. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.